Yep, you guys guessed it. Another unboxing video. So this is a brand new Makita wet and dry cordless portable vacuum cleaner. Model number DVC750LZ. Brand new from Makita. Basically came out about a week ago. I think it's basically designed to compete with that DeWalt 20 volt cordless vacuum that basically looks like this. But in my opinion, I think this one's better because this one has 2 speeds. You're able to inspect the battery level, and this one comes with a brushless motor. But enough with talking. Let's just get right into it. Oh yeah, you guys won't be able to see me, but I'm right here. So unfortunately, the camera can't be wide enough to capture everything. Yeah, ooh. Yeah, nice. Okay, so here's the unit. That's it. Box is empty. Yeah, here's the back of the box. Basically just tells you what it comes with and whatnot. Let's put the knife away. We're not gonna need it anymore. But yeah, so here's the vacuum. So you got 2 speeds. That's the lowest speed, off. Then you got second speed. You're able to check your battery level right here, unlike the DeWalt one. Unlike the DeWalt one also, the battery on the Makita is enclosed. So it is protected by the elements. Here you get this little crevice tool. Very nice. Fits right in there. Boom! And here you get like a nice wide little gulper nozzle. The quality seems good. This vacuum is assembled in China. All Makita products are basically assembled in China or Japan. That being said, the quality is still top notch. Yeah, very nice. Very nice quality. And this just easily snaps like that. Here, this is the blower port. You could get the hose, attach it here, and it'll be like a little leaf blower, like a dust blower or whatever. Now, if you go on the Makita website, on the specifications, it doesn't say anything if the hose stretches or whatever, but we're about to find out. Yes. Ooh, wow, yes. Holy smokes. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see, but the hose does stretch like really far, like, ooh, I'll probably say 1.5 meters, maybe almost 2 meters. The hose quality is really nice. Yeah, this comes off easily. You could attach it in the rear to blow dirt or whatever. This just snaps on really, really easily. What else? Actually, you know what? Let's open it. Yeah, let's see what's inside. Okay, yeah, so opening it is quite easily done. You get a nice gasket here. This is a, I believe, yes, this is a HEPA filter. Is it washable? I believe, yes, it is washable. It comes off easily. Just, wait, which way? So, counterclockwise to remove it. Yeah, okay. And it comes with a built-in float valve. So if you're sucking up too much water, it's gonna cut off automatically. And you're doing it clockwise to, yeah, clockwise to close it. This is the inside. Not much to it. And then to assemble it, just, yeah, back on. The latches are plastic. Yeah, wow, brand new from Makita. Very nice. I've owned a few Makita products. Yeah, Makita's not really known for their vacuum cleaners, and I've owned like 30 plus vacuum cleaners in my life. I've owned Hoovers, Bissols, the Henry pneumatic vacuum cleaners, and Makita has one of the best vacuum cleaners I think on the market. They're very rugged. The majority of them come with brushless motors. They have great suction. This is my new toy. I also own this Makita product. Speaking of this Makita product, we're gonna use this battery pack to power this unit on. I also own, is it gonna fit a video? Yeah, sure fit. I also own this guy, Makita 36 volt brushless canister vacuum. This thing's a beast. Oh, and you can see that vacuum, the canister vacuum, in one of my other unboxing videos. One of the old unboxing videos, probably like 10 videos down or so. Yeah, here's the manual, you know. Yeah, let's do a test now. So you get the battery pack, slide it in, snaps in place. And before we turn it on, let's see if this works. So I believe I have like half battery power left, and it should tell me by pressing it. Whether you just press it or hold it. Okay, yeah, so you hold it. On the Makita canister vacuum, you press it and it illuminates for about 5 seconds and then it dies. Here you have to hold it. And apparently my battery pack is full, which is shocking, but that's good. So, let's turn it on. Let's see how strong the suction is and how loud the vacuum is. First, we're going to test the lowest mode. Yeah, the suction on the lowest mode, it's okay. It's not gonna win any awards, but it's pretty good for what it is. As in noise level goes, it's not the loudest vacuum I've used, but it's not whisper quiet. It is slightly quiet, but not extremely quiet. Now let's try the highest mode, level 2. Yeah, the suction is way stronger on level 2. Like, yeah, that's gonna pick up almost anything. And back here, if you put your hand back here, yeah, you could feel it blowing, the exhaust there. But yeah, very nice vacuum. I am very pleased with it. I am very happy with it. It's my new toy. It's my new arsenal. And yeah, I can't wait to actually use it more. Pick up more stuff in the morning. I'm gonna use it tomorrow morning. It's like already midnight, so I'm tired and I'm not gonna wake up the neighbors vacuuming the house. But I'll definitely give this a shot. And yeah, I know I haven't been on YouTube much. I've been just extremely busy, so I'll try to make more unboxing videos. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and if you guys have more questions, just shoot your comments and questions right below the video, and I'll try to reply to them, all of them, as much as I can. Thank you and good night.